McGinnis Incorporated, a McNational company. Marine transportation remains one of the world's most efficient and environmentally friendly means of shipping goods. For almost a century, McGinnis Incorporated has played a valuable role in servicing the maritime industry. Today, McGinnis remains a leader and environmental steward in providing cost-effective, responsible solutions for barge maintenance, equipment, and marine transportation services. With an extensive fleet of harbor boats and shipyards along the Ohio, Tennessee, and Mississippi rivers, McGinnis provides valuable resources for towing services, fleeting, stevedoring, new construction, equipment sales, and barge maintenance and repairs. McGinnis Inc. has made a substantial investment in providing sustainable value to the maritime industry by constructing the nation's most efficient and environmentally innovative barge maintenance facility available on the inland waterways. Currently, the majority of inland marine assets are maintained near the Gulf of Mexico and governed by weak environmental regulations and unstable weather patterns. McGinnis Inc. has answered the call for sustainability by designing a fully enclosed, high-production and energy-efficient barge maintenance facility. From recyclable shot, heat recovery, and stormwater recycling systems to automated blast nozzles and state-of-the-art coating systems operating in a controlled environment, McGinnis has stepped forward to provide a future-friendly and sustainable alternative for the industry. The 69,316 square foot blast and paint facility is located in the United States' largest inland river port in southern Ohio at Ohio River mile marker 320.4. This time-efficient blast and paint process means reduced downtime maintenance cost for their customers. The increase in freight cost value can be passed on to the consumer. Normal turnaround times to blast and paint dry cargo barges at the facility is 2 to 3 days, tank barges 3 to 4 days, and oversized tank barges only 5 to 7 days.
Being able to give a customer that kind of time frame where we've got a barge blasted and painted and in a drying bay in an 8-hour shift turns into dollars for them, because we are looking at being able to put that barge back in the water in 72 hours. That's the detailing and all the other things that has to go along with it. That barge is returned back to water. So revenue being the key here, and the quicker it returns to water, the quicker it's back in and making money for our customer, and that's what we're about.
The process begins with an innovative marine ways system. The marine ways consists of a synchronized lift system with a total capacity of 1,300 tons. The system is capable of handling barges of all sizes and dry docks up to 80 feet wide. Once the marine equipment is pulled safely out of the water, it is transferred onto mobile carts, providing the capability to easily stage for repairs or new construction in an environmentally contained area. Barges to be blasted and painted are staged inside, where radiant tube heaters can dry the barges regardless of weather conditions. After the barge has been prepared to blast and paint, it is attached to a synchronized drive system carrying the barge through the building at varying speeds up to 16 inches per minute. The negative pressure blasting area utilizes a state-of-the-art shot blast recovery system. The system operates 38 rack-mounted nozzles that separate and recycle the blast media for continued use. This reduces the amount of blast media needed on an annual basis. The particulates created from the process are removed and filtered from the atmosphere by 4 dust collectors that filter at a rate of 99.9% efficiency and feature the most advanced pulse-cleaned media ever made. The blasting and paint areas can accommodate 35 and 54-foot wide barges. McGinnis Inc. uses a plural component coating system. With this state-of-the-art system, the products are chemically cured and waste is minimized by keeping the A and B components separated until the paint gets within 50 feet of the applicator. The paint then goes through a static mixer and is applied to the steel. The coating system uses cutting-edge paint spray technology by using heat as a means for ionization of paint coatings. This process eliminates the need for thinner that is normally required in the paint application process. The result is reduced daily VOC emissions. The minimal thinner that is required is used to purge the lines for product changeover. The thinner is pumped through a closed-loop system to distillers that separate the paint solids. The thinner is then reused, and the paint solids are compacted into cakes that are 10 inches in diameter and 4 inches thick. The cakes hold a BTU content that is needed in lumber mill kilns and incinerators. The exhaust system pulls 100 cubic feet per minute across the spray area and has a total of 128 two-stage flat panel filter banks to tarp the paint particulates at all exhaust stacks during the spraying and curing cycles for additional LEL and VOC controls. Sealing diffusion media was also added to achieve 99% plus particle filtration and to promote laminar airflow, achieving maximum efficiency while maintaining a low pressure drop. Compressed air is an integral part of the blasting method. In keeping with the Department of Energy Compressed Air Challenge, McGinnis chose the most efficient compressor technologies available. The combination of variable speed rotary screw air compressors and oil-free centrifugal compressors enable McGinnis to manufacture compressed air throughout their wide demand range in the most power-efficient method available.
When we planned this facility, we really took a step towards sustainability. By reusing and recycling a lot of our materials in this process, which in turn has really enabled us to be a truly green facility.
In keeping with energy and future-friendly initiatives, McGinnis Inc. has developed a 7 million BTU heat recovery system that recycles heat generated from the rotary compressors and blows it back into the building by use of a thermostatically controlled damper. The building is also insulated with 4 inches of spray foam, significantly reducing the demand for natural gas heating in colder temperatures and reducing outside noise pollution. The roof covering, over 69,000 square foot of space, incorporates a high solar reflective index, SRI. The stormwater runoff from the roof is contained in a water recycling pond and used for fire protection and washdown areas.
Well, McGinnis wants to be a leader in this industry as it has been in the past 100 years, and we'll continue to strive forward and make our customers' objectives the best for all of us. We want them as a customer. We want to make this the most cost-efficient, environmentally friendly operation in the country.
McGinnis Inc. will continue to invest in environmentally responsible and cost-effective solutions that benefit their customers, the environment, and the industry. Make the responsible choice and turn to McGinnis Inc. for all your marine transportation maintenance needs. McGinnis Inc., taking a responsible turn for the future of the maritime industry.